Exciting.
Looks good?
Yep, looks cool.
All right.
I'm gonna pivot that way.
All right, everyone get behind Ollie, use him as a shield.
This way?
Yeah, I'll run through. I'll run through.
I'm actually going to go to the left so I can cover their path to take.
I'm not fucking coming through, am I?
Copy.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Pushing over to your left. Hit.
One, do we read?
Close, bro. I'd probably just fold it up.
Yeah, if you can actually.
So you've got one working now.
Alright, ready guys? They're about to go again. Let's gotta sort him out.
Come on, you ready? I need just 1 sec to bomb up.
Hey, is this one life or is this?
Nah, I'm literally respawn the barrel here.
I'll be behind you, Connor.
I'm on your hard here.
Hit.
We're just in such a. This is basically speedball.
Yeah.
Little tamale.
Nice.
Okay, let's take this.
Where do you want to?
I haven't even gone through any of
With this
like
sort of thing-
the balls yet.
Let's do the same thing except opposite. We'll go and defend.
How's your little one? These things are fucking mint, aren't they? I've got to order another MOSFET for mine.
You need the front wire. Oh no, sorry, no, don't.
You just need to watch the flag in the centre and just hold it,
Yep.
hold it at angle.
Yeah, this one's just up in there. Just behind the Rodeo. Nah, too slippery.
Put me up.
Yep.
Hitting there.
There's one pushing around to the right. Left, sorry, left.